Defending an active cash out in the finals requires using your class abilities and gadgets to delay enemies and instantly disrupt steals during chaotic third-party fights. If you're playing light, your best defense is the stun gun. When an enemy tries to steal the cash out, firing your stun gun immediately cancels their interaction and interrupts the steal, buying valuable time for your team to fight back, rather than committing to a risky direct elimination. When playing medium, lock down entry points and the objective with deployable utility. Scatter gas mines and explosive mines around doorways and right on top of the station. You can also deploy the Guardian turret to continuously fire on enemies inside the cash-out room. Use the shockwave specialization to knock opponents out of interaction range, or use the dematerializer to drop the cash-out station through the floor and break line of sight entirely. Heavy builds rely on barricades and structural destruction to delay third parties. Place barricades at main doorways to block incoming pushes and force enemies into choke points. If an enemy begins stealing, use explosive tools like C4, the RPG-7, or your sledgehammer to blow out the floor beneath the cash-out, sending the station tumbling into the room below to immediately interrupt the steal. Subscribing helps out the channel, and enjoy holding down your cash-outs.